Making his very first walk to the octagon, Рафаэль Fiziev. This is the guy that went viral with the Neo from Matrix type display where he flexed his spine all the way back in a kickboxing bout. Everyone's seen it, I'm sure. It is this guy. He has the same coach as the Shevchenko sisters. He is the kickboxing coach at Tiger Muay Thai, but he's got way more than just kickboxing, Dan.
He has, absolutely. He's a very strong top game fighter as well. You know, you can imagine the way that he transitions from striking into ground and pound. He throws his punches very, very similar, but really it's on the feet where he gets the work done. And I wouldn't be surprised if we get to see that fancy Senchai drop back today, because we know Mustafayev does like to throw some body kicks.
Yeah, when he throws them, they're not exactly set up beautifully, right? He throws a lot of power into that, but I really feel like Fiziev's gonna see that coming, and we're gonna see a lot of that sliding backhand. And this guy's boxing, for being a Muay Thai guy, his hands are sharp. He throws power in every punch that he lands. This is a big prospect that we're going to be watching here tonight, but he's got a big challenge, and coming in at somebody that's got a lot of experience, but he's been out 2 years, so we're going to see if there's some ring rust there. So both guys kind of on more of an even playing field than normally would be the case for somebody that's got that UFC experience, because he's been out so long with so many injuries.
Yeah, Fiziev with 5 first-round wins. He is 6-0 professionally. And when I was speaking with his coach, George Hickman, he said about not just having everything in isolation, and then I quizzed him about putting it together. At the highest level, Paul, you need to be able to chain those strikes, get down to the mat. He's got all of those plugged as well. He just doesn't need them.
Yeah, I feel like a lot of guys don't. When you have it all put together, you just find a way.